to come out here, and now I can't. What are you saying? That we've lost our window?
My finger, just call it a day.
You so blamed Daphne for everything. And you know what? I'm tired of it. If you don't want me to move out here, then you need to say it.
Put on your face.
Bend my morals again. Well, I have to go against every single thing that I believe in again because I love you.
How can I remember to forget?
Yebuuza wali asobola okwatika obunajja mubulira mu ngeri ki gyayinza okujjukira okwerabira yanisemu mukwano musaa mulimbye
How can I remember to forget? Wish that I could hate you so I could let you go.
Mulinga kale singa asobola okusaako obukyayi nekwesonyiwa n'ogenda.
Most I could feel an ocean with all the tears I've cried.
Wulira asindikulirwa n'emmeeme lw'amaziga gayiye agajjulujjulu.
But I'm wide awake and I want you so much right now. How can I remember to
Baabo.
forget these emotions and all the plans we made? Like we never happened, make my heart break. I know it's really over, but
Yebuuza ayinza atya okwerabira okujjukira kussyaako ebyo bye bakoze bye bategese.
I